This is your GK class. So today we are going to learn about continent and oceans. Okay. Do you know about continents? What is continent? How many continents are there? How many oceans are there? Okay. So let us discuss in this class about continents and oceans. So I'm going to show you one video, and I sorry your video is off. Start your video, okay? So do you know our planet Earth is called blue planet? Why it is called blue planet? Yes, Molly. Yes, Molly. बेटा जल्दी बोलोगे. Okay, yes, Apurva. Why our planet is called blue planet?
Because ma'am, our earth is covered by 71% of water.
Yes, most of the part, that is 71% of the part is covered with water. Yes. Okay, now lower down your hand, everyone.
71% of the planet is covered by water, while the remaining 29% is.
Voice is clear? आवाज आ रही है? आवाज क्लियर आ रही है कि धीरे आ रही है? ओके. माय वीडियो इज ऑफ बिकॉज मैंने कैमरा को माइक के पास किया है ताकि आपको आवाज क्लियर है. ठीक है, बट योर वीडियो शुड बी ऑन.
Is covered by land. That is why the Earth is often referred as the blue planet. The land masses are the continents and huge water bodies are the oceans.
Okay, so what is
Land masses are the continents and huge water bodies are the oceans.
what is continent? The land masses. The most of the part is covered by water. The water bodies are the ocean, and the land mass, the land portion, they are the continent. So now it is clear what is continent and what is ocean. ये पहले तो क्लियर होना चाहिए कि what is continent and what is ocean. Then we will move that how many continents are there and how many oceans are there. What is continent? The land masses on the planet, on the earth, is continent, and the huge water bodies, they are ocean. Okay. Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of land masses?
Land masses means the area जो land का बना हुआ है, that is the land mass. जहाँ पे सिर्फ जमीन है. देखो अभी आपको यहाँ पे राइट साइड में अर्थ का प्लेनेट दिख रहा है, तो उसमें जो ग्रीन पोर्शन है, द ग्रीन पार्ट, द ब्राउन पार्ट, दैट इज द लैंड. ओके.
Okay.
So the land part is continent, and the water part, water bodies, they are ocean.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Apurva.
Ma'am, we have to write this in copy.
Yes, you have to write this. The third point. Third point, write down in your GK copy. Write down today's date and give heading continent and ocean. Continents and ocean. हेडिंग क्या होगी? कॉन्टिनेंट्स एंड ओशन. सब मुझे लिखते हुए दिखने चाहिए. So heading is continents and ocean and today's day, and you have to write only third point. No one will write all the 3 points. सिर्फ जो third point है वो लिखोगे. Land masses are the continents and huge water bodies are the ocean. Land masses, the land portion on the planet, they are called continents, and the water portion, huge water bodies, they are the ocean. Not small water bodies, the huge water bodies, they are ocean. Ultimately, the small water bodies, they need ocean. See, small water bodies jitne bhi hai, like river, waterfall, all these things, they ultimately join ocean. They meet ocean and sea. Okay? So the huge water bodies are ocean, and the land mass, land portion, they are continent. Okay? Third point लिख लिया सबने? Done? Should we move? You have to be very quick, बेटा. थोड़ा सा जल्दी जल्दी लिखोगे. So first we will learn about continents.
There are 7 continents.
So write down there are 7 continents and their name. There are 7 continents. The first continent is North America.
North America.
Second is Europe.
Asia, South America, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica.
These are the 7 continents: North America, Europe, Asia, South America, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Okay? There are 7 continents. They are North America, Europe, Asia, South America, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Okay? If anyone will ask, name 7 continents, will you be able to answer now? Now, North America, Europe, Asia, South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. Okay, North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Harush, will you read the 7 continents?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
First, North America. Second, Europe. Third, Asia. Fourth, South America. Fifth, Africa. Sixth, Australia. Seventh, Antarctica.
Yes. These are 7 continents. Yes. Better don't raise hand. What happened, Deshna? Yeah. Any problem? Deshna? हाँ. बोलो देशना.
मैम इसके पहले वाला कॉन्टिनेंट है ना,
इसके
वो
पहले
मेरा
वाला
थोड़ा सा जो आप दिखाए थे ना, इसके पहले वाला कॉन्टिनेंट एंड ओशिया, सॉरी ओशियंस.
हाँ.
मैम वो मेरा लास्ट का थोड़ा थोड़ा बच गया.
Okay, leave some space. Leave some space. I will upload the recording. आप recording देख के तब फिर लिख लेना.
ओके
Okay?
ओके.
ये समीक्षा.
मैम नथिंग, वो थोड़ा गलती से हुआ.
So these are the 7 continents. Now we will go through it one by one. है ना? First is, this is North America. This is Europe. Third one, Asia. Fourth, North America. South America. Africa. Australia. And the last continent is Antarctica. So this is a
North
world.
America is the third largest.
You can see here. ये जो है, this is a world map. This is a world map. ठीक है. तो अगर आपको बोलेंगे, if you have to locate all the 7 continents in the world map, will you be able to locate? The first one, North America at the very topmost right side. North America. Then second is Europe. Third is Asia at the very right side. Right side. Okay. Bottom of the map, Antarctica. ठीक है. Sixth one at the right side, it is Australia. ठीक है. Fourth is North America. Fifth is Africa. Okay. Now,
The Pacifics of the world.
now we will study about each continent one by one. है ना? Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, first continent is also North America and fourth continent is also North America.
No, fourth continent is South America.
Okay, ma'am.
See here.
Ma'am, but in this video, you are telling North America.
First one is North America and fourth one is South America.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
topmost side.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Apurva.
Ma'am, you are saying wrong.
What wrong?
मैम आप पहले जो आप बोले थे ना मैम वो रॉन्ग था.
क्या?
मैम आपने फोर्थ को अफ्रीका बोल दिया था और ऐसे कुछ अदला बदली कर दिया था आपने.
अदला बदली कर दिया मैंने.
हाँ मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आया. फिर उसके बाद में देखा ना कॉपी को फिर समझ में आया हम गलत हो गया.
ओके, तो अभी मैं फिर से आपको बता रही हूँ. एंड नाउ दिस टाइम आई एम करेक्ट कि फर्स्ट कॉन्टिनेंट द येलो पोर्शन वर्ल्ड मैप में आपका टॉप मोस्ट लेफ्ट साइड में नॉर्थ अमेरिका है. फिर एट द टॉप इन द बिटवीन इट इज यूरोप एंड एट द वेरी राइट साइड इट इज एशिया. ठीक है. फिर उसके नीचे आएंगे तो लेफ्ट साइड में इट इज साउथ अमेरिका. देन इन बिटवीन इट इज अफ्रीका एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट लेफ्ट साइड में सबसे छोटा सा आपको दिख रहा है दैट इज पिंक पोर्शन में इट इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया. और सबसे नीचे मैप में सबसे नीचे जो पोर्शन लास्ट वाला दिख रहा है दैट इज एंटार्क्टिका. ओके. Now we will study one by one.
America is the third largest continent in the world. It is the
North America, it is the third largest continent. Out of 7 continents, it is the third largest continent in the world. Write down North America is the third largest continent.
home to many highly advanced countries of the world, including the USA and Canada.
highly developed countries comes under this continent like USA and Canada. Most developed countries in the world, USA and Canada, it comes under this continent, North America. Okay.
The Arctic Ocean borders the continent in the north. The Atlantic Ocean is in the east and the Pacific Ocean is in the west.
So this continent is surrounded by three oceans: Pacific Ocean at the west, Atlantic Ocean at the east. Okay. Just a minute. So Pacific Ocean at the west, Atlantic Ocean at the east, and Arctic Ocean at the north. Okay. So this continent is surrounded by three oceans.
Christopher Columbus discovered this continent by accident while he was trying to reach India.
So who developed this continent, who find this continent? Christopher Columbus. कैसे उनको पता चला इस continent के बारे में? How he come to know about this continent? When he was trying to reach to India, he accidentally find this continent and he discovered this continent as North America. Okay, who discovered? Christopher Columbus. And how he discovered? While he was trying to reach to India, he accidentally found this continent. Okay.
North America is the vast continent with many beautiful geographical regions. Mount McKinley in Alaska is the highest point in the continent.
Highest point in this continent is Mount McKinley in Alaska. Alaska नॉर्थ अमेरिका में एक कंट्री है अलास्का, वहां का हाईएस्ट पॉइंट है माउंट मैकिलन. ओके, माउंट मैकिलन इन अलास्का.
The Rockies stretch along the western part of the continent. The Great Lakes, a group of 5 freshwater lakes, are located in the eastern part.
The Great Lakes. What is a Great Lake? It is a group of 5 lakes. It is, you can find this in the Great Lake, you can find in this continent, North America. It is a group of 5 lakes located in eastern part of the continent. Okay. What are the lakes? Name of the 5 lakes?
Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Florida, Lake Ontario, Lake Erie.
So what are the name of 5 lakes? Lake Superior. First lake is Lake Superior. Group of 5 lake is called the Great Lake, and the first lake is Lake Superior. Second one is Lake Michigan. Okay.
Lake Ontario.
Lake Huron. Okay.
Lake Erie.
Fourth is Lake Ontario, and fifth one is Lake Erie. Okay. These are the 5 lakes that combine to form the Great Lake. What type of water you found in lake? Salt water और fresh water. Lakes में कैसा पानी मिलता है? Salty water और fresh water. Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, fresh water.
Fresh water. Yes, correct.
Lake Michigan, Lake Florida, Lake Ontario, Lake Erie. is the home to many well-developed countries,
Second continent, Europe.
which are also popular with tourists. It is the sixth largest continent in the world.
Europe is the sixth largest continent. North America is the third largest continent. Europe is sixth largest continent. Out of 7, it ranks sixth. Okay.
Europe and Asia together form Eurasia.
Europe and Asia. Europe is one continent and Asia is another continent. Europe and Asia together form Eurasia.
Europe and Asia together form Eurasia. Eurasia forms the longest stretch of land on Earth.
Means Europe and Asia, they are side by side. If you will look in world map, they are the longest stretch of land. अर्थ में सबसे लंबा स्ट्रेच ऑफ लैंड, मतलब एक साथ अगर आपको लैंड बहुत बड़े पोर्शन में देखने को मिलेगा तो यूरोप और एशिया को आप कंबाइन करोगे तो इट विल फॉर्म यूरेशिया, और सबसे लंबा लैंड मास यही है, यूरोप और एशिया. ओके.
The Mediterranean Sea borders Europe in the south. Asia lies to its east and the Atlantic Ocean is in the west.
So it is covered by one side is covered by Atlantic Ocean at the west side. Okay. On its south side it is Mediterranean Sea and east side it is Asia. यूरोप के ईस्ट के साइड में कौन सा है? कोई ओशन नहीं है, लैंड मास है, कॉन्टिनेंट है, दैट इज एशिया. एंड वेस्ट साइड में क्या है? देयर इज अ ओशन, दैट इज अटलांटिक ओशन.
Two important rivers of Europe are the Volga and the Danube.
Two important rivers of the Europe are, write down this name.
The two important rivers of Europe are the Volga and the Danube.
Volgan and Danube. Danube.
The famous
Okay, write down. Two important rivers of Europe. Volga. And second is Danube. Danube. Done? These are the two important rivers of Europe.
The famous mountain range Alps is located in Europe.
Alps mountain. They are very famous. Okay. So they are located in Europe. Now next continent, Asia. It is the second largest continent.
Of the 7 continents, it occupies 1/3 of total land area on the planet.
Most part, the सबसे ज़्यादा part कौन cover करता है? Asia. Okay. And how much it occupies? 1/3 of the total land area on the planet. सबसे ज़्यादा land area कौन cover करता है? Asia. India comes under which continent? Do you know? India comes under this continent, Asia. India comes under Asia. Okay, it is the second largest continent and it occupies 1/3 of the total land area of the planet.
Towards the east of the continent is the Pacific Ocean. The Indian Ocean is in the south and the Arctic Ocean is towards the north.
So it is covered by how many ocean? Continent Asia is covered by how many ocean? 2 ocean. On the east, it is covered by Pacific Ocean, and on the south, it is covered by Indian Ocean.
The south and the Arctic Ocean is towards the north.
And third ocean is towards North Arctic Ocean.
Some of the highest mountain peaks on Earth include
Highest mountain. हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक कौन बताएगा? ये हमने ना जीके में स्टार्टिंग में पढ़ा था। यस देशना।
मैम हिमालय।
हिमालय में कौन सा बेटा? हिमालय में बहुत सारे हैं।
हिमालय सबसे
हिमालय
बड़ा वो है
में
मैम।
which one the highest mountain? Yes, Molly.
मैम माउंट एवरेस्ट।
Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest means highest peak जो है, सबसे ऊंचा माउंटेन जो है पूरे वर्ल्ड में। कहाँ पे है? एशिया में है एंड दैट टू इन इंडिया, हिमालय।
Himalayas. The highest in Asia. The lowest land region, the Dead Sea, is located here.
Dead Sea, the lowest land region, Dead Sea. It is also located in Asia.
The sea is called dead because its high salinity prevents macroscopic.
Why it is called
organisms
dead?
such as fish.
Because the sea, it contains the, it is also called salt lake. ठीक है, तो इसमें बहुत ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में it contains salt, means the concentration of the salt is very high in this sea.
Aquatic plants from living in it, though minuscule quantities of bacteria and microbial fungi are present. Dead Sea is one of the saltiest bodies of water on Earth, with almost 10 times more salt than ordinary seawater. The salt concentration of the Dead Sea fluctuates around 31.5%. Animals can easily float in the Dead Sea because of natural buoyancy. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. This continent is famous for its diversity. The isthmus of Panama.
ओके अभी हम वीडियो देख लेते हैं, फिर इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स जो है हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे। ओनली 5 मिनट्स लेफ्ट, ठीक है? सो जस्ट वॉच द वीडियो टुडे एंड इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल टेक क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स।
Joins North America and South America. The range of mountains called the Andes stretch from
And,
north to south.
I want you to watch the video very carefully और आप इसके ऊपर अपने तरफ से frame questions, okay? Then I will take your questions also in the next class. Okay, so it is your homework to frame questions.
Out in the western part of the continent. The second longest river, Amazon, flows through this continent. The Amazon contains 1/5 of all the river water in the world. One of the world's thickest forests, the Amazon rainforests, are found here. The Amazon rainforests are home to a large number of flora and fauna. Flora means plant life and fauna means animal life. Some of the plants are giant water lily, rubber, passion flower,
These are the flora.
some of the animals are jaguar, giant river otter, sloth, poison dart frog. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. It is surrounded by water. It has the Mediterranean Sea in the north, the Indian Ocean and the Red Sea in the east, and the Atlantic Ocean in the west. The world's longest river, the Nile, flows through this continent. The largest desert, the Sahara, is also found here. The highest mountain in the African continent is Mount Kilimanjaro. It is also believed that the first human beings lived in Africa, and that is why it is known as the cradle of humanity. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. It is the only continent which is an island. Not only that, it is also the only continent that consists of only one country.
The smallest continent, Australia. It is the smallest continent. It is also known as an island. और यहाँ पे कोई और countries नहीं है, सिर्फ एक ही country, only one country, that is Australia. It is surrounded by
water on all sides. The Great Australian Desert.
See how beautiful it is.
The Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef, lie in Australia. Kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent in the world. It is also the coldest continent. It is permanently covered by a thick layer of snow and thus known as the White Continent.
It is mostly covered of snow. That's why Antarctica, it is called White Continent. It is the coldest place in the world.
The sea around the continent is home to a large number of penguins, seals, whales, and seabirds.
So this is about continents and oceans. Okay. In next class, I will take a quiz. In next class, first I will take a quiz. Then I will take up your questions. ठीक है, तो आपको भी क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम करके रखने हैं. आज आपने जो वीडियो देखा उसके ऊपर से सारे क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम करके रखने हैं. ओके, तो एनीथिंग